You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig. Actually, I wanted to show you how to make this, but they're almost the same. The only difference is how I finished at the front. Like for this one I sew two to the same direction, and this one I sew like one to this side and this other one to this other side. Yeah, style is almost the same as this other one that I shared with you. The only difference is that the other one is like has an okuku. I learned this one from my Nigerian friends from Japan, Italy, UK. The okuku, they call it okuku, and this one like it's like this. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. I really love these two colors, so if you want to create this ombre look, you can just braid two braids of different colors, or you can buy the ombre braids. And then the next thing you need are caps. You can use the dome cap or you can use this other cap. I prefer this other cap because it's the same cap that I used on my previous wig and I really loved it. Also, if you want to create a pattern, you can also use this cap. The next thing you need are braids. There's a tutorial I shared with you on how to make these braids, so kindly check the description box down below if you want to know how to make them. If you watched my previous videos on how to make these wigs, I'm going to use the same process. Pin the braids down on the cap and then sew them. So this sewing method is the best if you just want to create like a random style or a unique style, because it's just a matter of pinning them down and how you're going to sew them. So there's this wig that I made for a client, and the reason why I made this style is because she just wanted to like cover a scar on her face. So it just depends on how you're going to pin down your braids. So whichever style that you want to create, you can create it as long as you like. It just depends on how you're going to pin down the braids and sew them together.
Still I'm better with them without you. Oh,
I started by sewing my braids together first and then sewing them on the cap. There are different ways you can just quicken up the process. I always sew like the braids together first and then sew them on the cap, like some few pieces, and then sew them on the cap. Like this will just quicken up the process. Or you can sew all the braids together and then sew them on the cap. But then the quickest method is to pin down all the braids and then sew them on the cap, because also it will guide you, or it will tell you how many braids you're going to use. If you might run out of braids, yeah. So pin all the braids down first and then start sewing them on the cap.
you hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with them without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with them without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell.
You can wear this wig like this with the parting, but then just make sure the parting is neat and straight. So since I knew I was going to cover it, I was just like pinning them down the way I wanted, and sewing them on the cap. But just if you're going to leave the parting, make sure it's straight and very neat. So for you to create that first style that I shared with you, you're going to pin down the braids on top of the parting and then sew them on the parting like this. So if you want the two pieces to be on one direction, this is how you're going to pin them down and then sew them together.
I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale.
But then if you want to create the style that I'm going to show you today, you have to pin one to the other side so that you know to create that style.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow us down, break the speed of sound. Tonight, we all know crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that caper into a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever.
Just comment below, guys, if you love it. If you don't like it, just comment down below. For this braid, there are 24 pieces. That is like 5, 6 or 7 packs. And for this, that actually use the same packs for both of them. But then for this, I can see, like, I was trying to squeeze them because I wasn't planning to make this style. So when I was about to finish, I decided to squeeze them so that, you know, they don't cover the ears. Yeah, so just make sure you don't like really squeeze them. You can pin them down on the cap before you sew, just to know how many pieces you're going to use or how you're going to sew them. And you can sew an elastic band or you can sew combs on it. For this one, I felt like it was okay. I actually don't need combs for this. Like, it fits so well, as you can see.
Let's slow us down, break the speed of sound. Tonight, we all know crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.